Hello, Tamala Tashi. So today we are going to learn Tibetan two question mark. So first we have here who and what. So in Tibetan we call as a su and kare. Su, kare. So first we have here su, su, sa, shepju, su, su. So mostly used in the middle of the sentence. We have here subject and then the complement su and then the yin as a verb. So kirang su yin. So let's we see how that structure is. So we have here subject as kirang and then the su as a complement and then the verb as a yin. So kirang su yin. So the su mostly used in people asking question who. So it comes in the middle. Let's see here. Kirang su yin. So let's move forward. Sa shepju su su su. Su. Now it's your turn. Nice. Kirang su yin. Kirang su yin. Kirang su yin. Now it's your turn. Nice. So how we say I'm Tashi. So we have here, if someone asks you kirang su yin, so we replied as nga Tashi yin, nga Tashi yin, nga Tashi yin, nga Tashi yin, nga Tashi yin. So now it's your turn. Kirang su yin bie, kirang su yin. Nice. So next we move to the third pronoun. So we have here kong su re, kong su re, kong su re, kong su re. Now it's your turn. Nice. Kong su re, kong su re. Nice. So they ask like kong su re. So we have like an answer as kong chomo re, kong chomo re, kong chomo re, kong chomo re. Now it's your turn. Nice. Kong chomo re. So we move to the second caution. Ka re, ka re, ka re. So the ka re mostly used in things and animals asking what. So we have like a structure di kare re. So the structure is comes as a subject and then we have complement kare comes in the middle and then verb di kare re, di, kare, re, di, kare, re. Now it's your turn. Nice. So let's move to understand the kare. So first, ka, ra bu re, ka re. Now it's your turn. Ka re, di, ka re, re, di, ka re, re. Now it's your turn. Nice. So how to answer for this caution? So we have here di, meto, re, di, meto, re. So di as a subject, and then the meto is description of the subject. We can say complement because there is no action in this sentence. That's why use in the middle. So one answer. So the verb is here to be read. So di meto re, di meto re. Now it's your turn. Nice. Di meto re. So and then we comes here te, te, kare, re. Now it's your turn. Nice. Te, kare, re. Te, kare, re. So how do we answer this question? It says like, so at distance you can see there's a cat on top of the rope. So as someone asks you, ti kare re, ti kare re. So how we answer as a structure. So we comes definitely te, right? And then the description of this animal, shimi. And then we have here verb to be, right? So let's see. Te as a subject, shimi as complement description of this subject, and then verb is to be, right? Te shimi re, te shimi re, te shimi re. Now it's your turn. Nice. So these are the sentences that we learned. So here we say, if someone asks, Kong su re, so what are the answer or the puzzle? So we mostly choose in this sentence. Kong su re. So we probably chose this one, right? Kong chomo re. Kong chomo re. And then the second one, Kirang su yin. So this is, and then di yakre, sorry, here this need one 작통. Di yakre, te karre. So this your question and answer. This is homework. So you can choose which is which. After the question, there will be the answer, right? So you can choose. Thank you so much. That's all. 참말라 덕지치 슈교인 가르치고